Hello, and welcome to Unseen Life, where we unravel the secrets of the microscopic world around and within us. Today we're exploring a creature that might be living closer than you think. Ascaris Lumbric, a type of roundworm that infects over 1 billion people worldwide. Let's explore the fascinating life cycle of this parasite and understand how it affects its hosts. The life cycle of Ascaris Lumbric is as intriguing as it is unsettling. It begins with an egg, but not just any egg. These eggs are incredibly tough, capable of surviving in soil for years. Imagine a tiny, round object no bigger than a speck of dirt, encased in a protective shell that shields it from extreme temperatures and chemicals. Once these eggs are ingested, typically through contaminated food or water, they hatch in the host's intestines. From these eggs emerge larvae, tiny and translucent creatures, wriggling free of their shells. They're so small you can mistake them for a thread of spider silk, but they're alive and moving with a purpose. These larvae then embark on a remarkable journey through the body. They burrow through the intestinal wall and travel to the lungs via the bloodstream. Imagine them, like microscopic submarines navigating the vast ocean of the human body. In the lungs, they mature, growing larger and becoming more worm-like, visible to the naked eye as small, pale pink, yellow, or white worms. But their journey doesn't end there. They crawl up the respiratory tract to the throat, where they're swallowed back into the intestines. It's here that they reach adulthood, growing into large, creamy white worms, as thick as a pencil and sometimes as long as a ruler. In the intestines, these adults mate and lay eggs, which exit the body through feces, ready to start the cycle anew if they can find their way into suitable soil. It's a life cycle that requires no other hosts, but different environments within the same host. Transmission of Ascaris Lumbric is primarily soil-borne. Eggs are deposited in soil with feces, where they mature and can infect others. At the molecular level, when the larvae hatch, they release enzymes that allow them to penetrate the gut wall and enter the bloodstream, evading the host's immune system by cloaking themselves in proteins that make them nearly invisible. Infection is often silent, showing almost no symptoms. This makes it a stealthy invader. Many people have Ascaris Lumbric worms and don't even know it. However, when symptoms occur, they're generally mild, like abdominal discomfort. But symptoms can be severe, including intestinal blockage and respiratory complications during the lung phase of the larva. These signs are generally associated with acute infections during the initial infestation stage, but it could become chronic if it's left untreated. Ascaris Lumbric is not just a worm. It serves as a reminder of the intricate connections between health, hygiene, and our environment. This parasite exemplifies how human behaviors, like sanitation practices and dietary choices, interact with microscopic ecosystems in profound ways. The life cycle and persistence of this worm in various environments emphasize the importance of maintaining clean living conditions and ensuring proper food preparation. It also highlights the broader environmental impacts, demonstrating how our interactions with the earth, such as the use of contaminated water or the improper disposal of human waste, can foster cycles of infection that affect entire communities. This interaction with Ascaris Lumbric reveals just how intertwined our lives are with the microscopic world, often in ways that go unnoticed until these health issues emerge. It serves as a wake-up call to the invisible risks lurking within our environment. So next time you're walking barefoot on soil or eating unwashed produce, remember the unseen life that lurks in the earth, waiting for the opportunity to start its life cycle once again. Remember to always wash your hands, wash your produce, and cook your food thoroughly. Thank you for tuning in to Unseen Life. Join us next time as we continue to explore the hidden and sometimes mysterious biological forces that shape our world. Stay curious, stay aware, and keep exploring the unseen.